thank you for joining, Preeta ji. Thank you for joining, Coach Akshata, Coach Kajal. So, as what I am informed that Preeta ji was suffering from thyroid from so many years. She was on medicines for long time. Now, over to you, Preeta ji. How has been your journey and what benefits you have received through naturopathy?
I had been suffering from BP and thyroid for, I would say, for 13 years. And in a month, I was off my BP medication. It took time, but I think 13 years की अगर medication आप एक महीने में छोड़ सकते हो. So nothing like it. Like with your diet and with the dedication of the two coaches along with me, always there. Initially, I had some headaches and everything, but you were just a message away for me. And for my thyroid, my medication kept on tapering. After 2 months, when my body started detoxing, you started tapering my medication. And I would say वो process 6 months में खत्म हो जाता. I prolonged it. But yes, in a span of 8 months, I was off medications. And for my surprise, it's more than 1 year I am off my BP medication, and more than 4 months I'm off my thyroid medications. And all thanks to you, Vishal ji. So all the three were there. And actually, मुझे इतनी medications की जरूरत भी नहीं थी, but मेरा mindset ऐसा था कि BP medications बंद करूंगी तो headache हो जाएगा. But you made it prove to me कि you don't need medication. And with your diet, within a month, my BP started stabilizing. So energy levels have skyrocketed.
Preeta ji, let's come to your coaches. I'll come to Kajal. Kajal, how has been your experience?
Through all of the works in between, she manages to overall do the diet, do the activity, overall do the schedule planning, morning to evening. Like right now also, she is out from morning 7 o'clock. She has a busy schedule till 11 p.m. Then also she is so cheerful, energetic, everything all together. That is a great thing. And for the people, like she told, it is not really easy to give up your medications of so long years to which are going on and on and on.
True.
So for her, hats off.
Amazing. Thank you, Kajal. I'll come to Akshata. Akshata, how has been your journey with Preeta ji?
Very nice journey, Preeta ji. Thank you very much in trusting us and in our process. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you. So let me just tell you, Kajal also always, Akshata always answers in one sentence, two, and today it was 3 sentences. Thank you. Thank you so much, Preeta ji. Thank you so much for being here. Long way to go. We are always with you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vishal ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.